Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who are new here, karibuni sana, karibuni tena sana. I know it's been long since I posted a video. Yeah, and also for the returning subscribers, karibuni tena sana, and thank you so much for always sticking by. Yeah, and thank you for always checking on us. So guys, it's been a while since I posted. Yeah, like wow, I had a very tight Christmas. Yeah, but I'm back guys. So guys, in today's video I am in my sister's place. Yeah, so guys, we were bored at home and we were just having a nature walk, and yeah, we decided why not pass by and say hi to her, because we are just at the same neighborhood. Yeah, but it's a kilometer away. Yeah, so guys, we passed, tulipitia na tukaenda tukawasalimia. Yeah, and here I was serving food for his children. Yeah, because he had a call and he had to like move and leave her children with me. So here I was serving the food for them. It was lunchtime. Yeah, and also chatting with the children. Yeah, so guys, hope you're going to enjoy the video. Yeah, and please guys, stick by. Yeah, and watch till the end, and hope you're going to enjoy the video. And guys, please don't forget to comment down below. Yeah, comment if you like the video, comment down if anything has made you like you've liked it, anywhere or anything has made you like it, just comment down below and I will love it and I will appreciate so much. So guys, enjoy the video. Yeah, and please guys, watch till the end, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, you like, you share. Yeah, and comment down below guys. So we were eating chapati and the green peas, sijui zinaitangwa the green peas or the what. Anyway, hata sizikumbuki. In Kiswahili we call them dengu. Yeah, so we were eating chapatis and dengu. Yeah, and the person behind the camera, that's my baby, let me say baby sister or baby daughter. Anyway, if you just want to know if it's my baby sister or my baby daughter, just stick by and I'll let you know. I'll introduce her to you guys. So guys, stay tuned guys and watch till the end. Enjoy the music guys. So guys, after eating, yeah, I went ahead and started washing the dishes. Yeah, as you can see, I'm washing the dishes. Yeah, and I'm enjoying the light. Oh my, her house is like inakwanga na light so much, and I admire the light so much. I'm even praying to God that I can vacate to a better house that has this natural light. Yeah, I just love it, so that I can be able to be vlogging more and more. Yeah, so guys, enjoy the music. So guys, hope till this far you've enjoyed the video. Yeah, and also, yeah, I'm done with the dishes, and here it is. The sink is so clean. Yeah, the sunlight is popping. Oh my. So guys, this is another day, and as you can see, we are taking porridge, and I just love this porridge. There's this kibandaski, yeah, near our neighborhood, yeah, that sells this porridge, and this porridge is always sweet. I just love it. Like, the ingredients in it, wow, it's so nutritious. It's so nutritious, and I always love it. So when I pass by, I must take this porridge because I just love the porridge, because it's made of cassava, it's made of ndoma. I can't remember the ndoma. Arrow roots. Yeah, it's made of cassava, arrow roots, and what else? And the groundnuts. Yeah, and also what else? I can't remember, but it's always nutritious. So guys, this is later in the evening, and I decided to cook some chipo. Yeah, some fries. Yeah, and as you can see, I'm cooking. I had missed a lot eating my own fries. Yeah, and so here on the other side, I'm cooking a sauce. Yeah, I want to like try and cook some chips masala. Yeah, and I want to like taste my own chips masala. I've never cooked before. This is my first time like doing that, making a sauce in it. Yeah, and so guys, I've in that other pot, I've added some onions, green onions. Yeah, the spring. I don't know if it's the spring or the string. Anyway, if you understand, I've added that spring or string onions, and also I've added some tomatoes. Yeah, and some garlic. Yeah, I'll add also some garlic and some coriander. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I've already added some coriander. Yeah, and now I'm about to add some spices. Yeah, and in my spices, I've added some pilau masala, mixed spices, and also some salt. Yeah, so guys, I'll stir them very well. I'm going to stir it very well, and also I'm going to add some tomato paste. Yeah, tomato sauce, not paste. Yeah, some tomato sauce, and also I'm going to add my soya sauce. Yeah, so that I can see how it turns out. Yeah, and as you can see, that's a soya sauce I'm just going to add a little bit of it, kidogo tu. Yeah, like that. And also add some tomato sauce. In my tomato sauce, I'm going to add a little bit of water, yeah, to lighten it. Yeah, so after that, I'll add my chips, my already ready chips. Yeah, my fries, I'll add them there. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the cooking. My chips masala is ready. Hey guys, I can't even tell you how tasteful was these chips. What? I think I'll be cooking this often. Wow, I just love it. I just love it. Even the look, it's just nice. I just love it. It was so tasteful. As you can see, my baby enjoyed it. Yeah, we all enjoyed it. So guys, the only thing that I felt I should have added more, it's the tomato sauce. Yeah, I felt that I had put some small tomato sauce. I should have added more, so it would have been sweeter and sweeter. So guys, you should try this. Try this and try this, and you'll just enjoy your meal. I just love it. And hey, okay, I'll be trying this now and like nitakuwa napika like karibu kila time. I don't know but I'll also be watching my weight anyway. So guys, you can try this at home. Yeah, and that part of adding a lot of tomato sauce, you can add a lot of tomato sauce to, yeah, to thicken it. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for always being there, for always supporting me guys. Yeah, and thank you so much guys.